Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna prepare for you my low-carb keto Italian pizza. Here it is right here. So keep watching. Okay, I have the cheese that I'm gonna use for the pizza crust, but I'm only gonna use 16 ounces of this cheese here. So let me just go ahead and get that started. I'm gonna go ahead and dump out the pork rinds into this bowl here. Go ahead and add the 4 tablespoons. There's the 1 teaspoon of oregano there. I'm going to add 2 whole eggs to this mixture. And that's the second egg. Okay, I'm gonna mix this all together. You want to make sure that the pork rinds and cheese is incorporated. I want to go ahead and preheat the oven at 425. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and lay this out on this sheet here. I'm going to kind of pack it down to make the crust. The cheese is already getting kind of soft. This is, it's room temperature right now. So I'm just pressing it down on the pan. I'm gonna try to press it down as thinly as I can. You know, when it starts baking, it will thin out anyway, but I'm just using my hands to press it down. I don't like the crust pizza, not that much anyway. So I'm trying to get this as thin as I can. Ooh, things are falling off the shelf here. There's a large piece of pork rind. Let me just take that out. Press this in the pan here. So you really don't have to worry about microwaving anything. You know, especially if you take the cheese out beforehand. The only thing you're gonna microwave is the butter for like 40 seconds, 4 tablespoons of butter. This is a very low carb pizza. So if you love pizza, you will definitely try this one. It's a very nice pizza, kind of on the Chicago style because I love Chicago pizza. And I always add a little bell pepper and onions to mine. I will saute those a little bit later, but I want to get the crust in the oven so it can cook. So I'm probably going to leave it in there for probably, I would say maybe 10 minutes or less. We'll see. I will keep a check on it to make sure that it's not overcooking. In these corners, I really want to get some crust in the corner here. We're making kind of a rectangle pizza, which I love making. Okay, all right. Go ahead and place it in a 425 oven for hopefully less than 10 minutes. I want to show you what I'm gonna saute. I have a very small piece of onion here. It's less than a third piece of onion. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop that up and saute that. Bell pepper, like a third of the bell pepper I'm gonna chop up. And I have 1 clove of garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Oh, it smells so good in here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up. Just want to saute this so that the bell peppers and onions and garlic become a little softer. I'm going to add a little salt to the bell peppers, a little black pepper, give it a little seasoning. I have the eye on medium low. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and check on the pizza crust. It's been 10 minutes already. I'll go ahead and cook up some of the sausage. And I'm going to do probably half a pound of the sausage. Mix for the pizza. Okay. That's about half. Okay, I'm not going to cook the sausage too long. I don't want it to dry out because it will be cooking again in the oven. So let me stop the cooking right now. Okay. And that's ready for the pizza. And I still have half the sausage that I'm going to make something else a little bit later. Okay. Alexa, stop. Here's the pizza crust. It stayed in the oven for 15 minutes because it's such a large pizza. So I let it stay in there for 15 minutes at 425 degrees. Okay, it looks delicious. Okay, here it is now. It's nice and hot. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my sauce. I have 8 ounces of tomato sauce. I have added 1 teaspoon of oregano in there. I have half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of parsley I added, and a half a teaspoon of sage. So I'm gonna go ahead and spread this on the pizza. This sauce is 4 carbs, and it has 2 grams of sugar in it. If you could find some tomato sauce without any sugar, that would be great, but I couldn't find any this time, so I used what I had. So I am gonna use this whole can, just so you know. But it's still a low-carb pizza, you know. Doesn't have that many carbs at all. Trying to get a little sauce on all of it. I'm gonna go ahead and add the ground, the sausage, the turkey sausage, and onions and bell pepper on the pizza. And I'm gonna spread that around. Okay, I'm gonna add some turkey pepperoni on the pizza. Okay, I didn't use the whole bag, so I just filled it with as much pepperoni as I could. So let me go ahead and add the cheese now. Add some more shredded cheese. This is going to be a delicious pizza you will never, ever forget. Okay, I just took this out of the oven. It looks delicious. So I'm gonna let it cool for a few seconds before I cut it, but it looks absolutely delicious. I cut the pizza in pieces here. I could cut it in smaller pieces, but I'm gonna let them stay the same. Okay, let's go ahead and check this out. Ooh, it's really hot. Okay, there we go. Ooh, it's hot.
Maybe you should let it cool off.
Well, it won't be so hot if I let it cool off. Okay, you want another piece? This is good?
This is good.
Okay, I'm gonna go
I'm gonna
ahead.
get a fork.
Okay. All right, let me try this pizza. Get my plate over here. And you want a fork?
I got one.
Okay. All right, enjoy. Get my pizza. It looks good.
You say you put some cayenne pepper in this?
Yeah, spicy. The sausage should be really spicy. Okay, let me taste it. Ooh, that looks good. Ooh, if you like this recipe, like, share, subscribe. Not so much in that order, but subscribe to my channel. Oh, it's so good. So good.